We have a buy opportunity on gold. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I just analyzed the charts quick. It was a 4-hour closure. It's 12 p.m. right now. It was a 4-hour closure on gold and GJ. So I made my analysis, and we have a range to breakout here on the 4-hour. So why it's a range 2 breakout? Because we had a range 1 here, and then we created another range here. If you see in the 30-minute, we went up and then we made a bearish candle and closed back into the range, and then this bullish candle closed back respecting the support here, and then the second bearish candle closed respecting. Then we got a breakout, and we got all of this clean range to go and fill. And here we have an advantage point. This advantage point here is really nice. It would be like, oh, it's actually very far. It's like 18 pips from our entry, and I'm looking to hold this trade till the next support. I'm using the previous 1 hour. Yes, like that. Okay, so I'm using the previous 1 hour as a stops because the 4-hour stops are so large. Like if you look at that, like right now it's 29 pips, but look at that, it's 44 pips. But as long as it's a 4-hour trade, so it's a 4-hour closure, so as long as it respects this 4-hour candle, it should drive. Okay, so we have the buy stops placed on the break of the current candle highs and the flip. So as this 5-minute closed above the resistance here, so it's an indication it will go up, and like we said on trading view, and if this 5-minute close above here too, we can see huge movement up here, just to mirror these candles, these two candles right there activated here. But we have no bottom wick on this 30. It will be this 1 hour flip, and the 30 is still, let's look at this 30 closure quickly. Okay, so we didn't get activated, so the 30 closed above, that's good, closed respecting the resistance, that's perfect. And yeah, it's a nice salary play here. So I believe once it hits this resistance and respects the lows, or maybe it will even reject from this resistance here, to be good to drive upwards. Yeah, and a good bottom wick on the 30 also. So just a waiting game right now, just waiting. And yeah, okay, so the 30-minute flipped here. We might get activated right now. So as you can see, guys, we said if the 5-minute closure, if it breaks this highs, it might drive, but if it closes above here, it will drive for sure. Never closed above there, it's respecting this minor resistance, so maybe this candle here will close. So let's see. Okay, so we got activated here in the trade, guys. Stop loss is the previous candle lows, and TP is the next resistance. So we will manage risk as it taps the 1 hour minor support on the left here. We have. So yeah, guys, so we scaled in and we had another position here. The reason behind that we were rejecting from this level here. As you can see, we closed respecting. I wanted to add the position here, but it just went immediately up, the 5-minute candle, so the position got added here, and I wanted to add another position if we close respecting. Okay, let's just delete those so we don't have choppy chart. Okay, so if we close respecting above here, I might add another position here to be amazing. Yeah, as it's a strong support. If we close above here, I will just add another position here to be nice. And that's our initial position. As you can see, guys, as I have said before, on our initial position, it will only be valid if it breaks its own highs here, and it did break, but then it didn't close above, and that's what we said after that. Okay, so broke above here, so I need to add another position. Same stop loss, and we will okay, we'll just close this trade manually. We don't have a TP set. Okay, let's maybe set it with its brothers out there. Okay, goes your siblings. Alright, so now we have three positions opened. We scaled in so much actually here, and yeah, so to continue what we were saying, that I said if we close above here to be really good for us to drive down, but we never closed, sadly. We just rejected from the level here, and it just activated us, like literally just tapped our buy stop and then went down, rejected. I would love if it breaks above here to be an amazing trade. So we're just waiting for it to break above, and yeah guys, so as you can see, we have made a higher low on the 5-minute time frame, and that's amazing, because that's an indication it might go up to this market structure here, helping us. Okay guys, so we have the 1 hour flip here, which is amazing. I need to take my medicine right now. Actually, this is the time for my medicine, so I'll be taking my medicine in this trade here. I haven't been uploading a lot because I was really sick the past few weeks. I'm still so sick actually, and I went to the doctor and he said that there's no treatment for my stomach. I just have stomach pain whenever I'm doing anything or whenever I'm eating. I always have that stomach pain, so that's what's annoying about it. I had a really good fit body, but I left the gym for a good 4 months because of this, and now I came back to the gym and it started to hurt me again. So I went to the doctor and he said there's no treatment for that. It's the colon. Yeah, I think it's the colon. Yeah, I don't know how you say it in English. My bad. So yeah, the colon is just hurting me so much, and I can't really do anything about it. I just have medicines, I have vitamins, that's it. Okay, so the 5 minutes here closed respecting, but the 1 hour here closed really nice. Salary. Okay, let's look at trading view. It's a lot better. So yeah, exactly, the 1 hour closed a nice salary here. Nice bearish candle, very weak bearish candle, respecting our level here of support. We could see a salary play here, and that's amazing. Right now this 30 and the 1 hour opened with no bottom wick. That's not what we like to see. If you have been watching me, guys, I don't really like to see candles with no bottom wick here. So that's what I have been seeing when I'm trading. When they have no bottom wick, it's more likely it's gonna go down, flip, but it might drive, but the probability of it coming back and making a bottom wick is really high. So we will see how it goes. Yeah, right now I love scaling in, guys. Scaling in positions is just amazing because we scaled in and we added 2 positions. Now once we reach our initial TP, we will have a lot of positions open and we can close partials, stuff like that. Yeah, amazing. This is 5 minute close above here. I know the 1 hour and 30 minute doesn't have a bottom wick. It doesn't mean it can't drive up. It can. And we have like 3 minutes left on this 5 minute, and it doesn't look like it's gonna come down. Hopefully just close above there, and once it closes above there we will be good to drive up. We have a clean range upwards, and we even broke the hourly highs and the 4 hour highs. So right now it's just the 4 hour and the 5 minute. That's what we need to look at. We have a good bottom wick on the 4 hour, and the 5 minute will close above hopefully in 2 minutes. We'll have a great trade here, guys. Yeah, I don't mind waiting for a bottom wick here because everything just aligns here. There's no problem with the trade at all for me. so I don't mind waiting for this bottom wick to be created on a 1 hour 30 minute. There's nothing wrong with the trade for me. It's all clean range to the left. Just the 1 hour and 30 minute didn't have a bottom wick. I think that's why it didn't drive. But that's not a reason, so we will wait anyways. Yeah. Okay guys, so I have good news. It's a 5 minute close the pub and it's really good for us, but still the only bad thing we have here is that the 30 and the 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. I don't like this so much, so yeah, but we closed above this position here. If I didn't have all of these positions opened up, I would have scaled in more, but I'm good. I don't really want to scale in this much, like maximum 3 positions is good. Okay, broke the highs. Well, okay, I hate this. Okay, once it taps my level here, we'll close these 2 positions because it's rejecting. I'll close these. Okay, now just let this position run. We have made 2% out of these 2 positions, so I'm good here. And yeah, we'll just let this position run to the initial TP. Why I closed actually is, other than that it was rejecting from the level here, the 30 minute and the 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, and as I've said guys, I don't really like this so much. So if this level just reverses here, I'll be good. Can just get out of this trade here because it's not my trade to take. Okay, there you go guys, we closed full positions just because it will go down in drawdown again and to make a bottom wick again, and I'm not really looking to hold it in drawdown again. Just to make a bottom wick. I don't know how steep this will be, but following the market structure, everything here is clean to drive upwards, everything here is perfect, but I just don't like that the 30 minute and the 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. Yes, the 4 hour has a good bottom wick and a strong bullish momentum, but we still need to remember here that the daily is also bearish here. So yeah, this was me sample sizing it. So yeah, we need to still remember here that the daily is bearish. Okay, so it was a range to buy anyway, and we can't really hold it this much. Also, that we had no bottom wick here, just annoying. Yeah, I'm happy that we closed full positions here. If you guys gained any value from this video, please drop a like and comment and subscribe. I'll drop more videos and more educational videos soon. The next year I have a lot of plans coming for you guys. Stay tuned for my next year plans. Hopefully it'll be an amazing year. Thank you so much for watching. Love your support guys. Keep going kings. Next year you have to do something, you have to change. Next year it's the year. So let's go. So see you later guys in another video. Peace out.